Anyways, look at all the snow. Oh, there goes a car. Oh my gosh. It's so deep.
Look at my car.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. Ooh, it's cold. Ow, I got my eyeball. Look, you can't hardly tell on this camera, but it's really deep. Well, I say really deep, I mean like 3 inches maybe. Ish, maybe 3 inches. So now we're starting to shovel. Matt doesn't want in the video, but he is anyways, because I got him. Ha ha ha, I win. I totally win, and I got you. I don't care, I still got you. There goes another car. Oh, boo, there's only 6 minutes left on the camera. You're such a bum, Matt. He's such a punk. He won't let me videotape him at all. He's so lame. Oh my god, the snow is so deep.
Are you going to help or are you going to let the snow keep on falling?
Well, I can't stop the snow from falling. As cool as that would be, I cannot do it. It is not in my human powers, I'm sorry.
Come on, that'd be pretty awesome. I have to admit.
That would be pretty awesome, but I can't do it, and I can't get Matt on cam because he's being a loser, and he won't let me. I think part of my hair is frozen. Oh, shit! Anyways, Matt, why are you... Oh. I was like, why are you going behind Peter? Alright, I guess I better turn this off and help. Okay, good. Signing off.